We are Farmeye and we are the technology partners for the National Soils Programme. I'm Emma O'Grady, I'm the Corporate Programme Manager at Farmeye. So far in the National Soils Programme we have had over 100 samplers using our technology. They have GPS tracked over 28,000 kilometres and sampled farms with a combined total area of 340,000 hectares. During this time they have sampled over 35,000 kilos of soil. To put that into perspective, it's the equivalent of walking to Australia and back while sampling an area greater than the size of Israel.
We run a suckler to store and sheep enterprise on this farm. We've been trying to improve the soil fertility on the farm. From the very start, it was a very simple process. I replied to the text to apply for the programme, and then the sampler made arrangements to come and take soil samples. He was able to go off on his own and complete the process of taking the soil samples. Basically, within a few weeks, I had a report back via email showing the results.
The samplers are provided with Farmeye soil sampling app. The maps of the farm are preloaded. Once the sampler arrives on the farm, he's able to start his soil sampling. Each soil sample is taken in an area of less than 4 hectares and is walked in a W formation with a representative sample in that W. Once the sampler has completed that soil sample, he scans that barcode which distinctly links that sample track to that bag of soil. When all sampling on the farm is completed, the samples are then batched and dispatched and sent via the logistics to the lab.
My name is Owen, I'm the sales manager for IAS Laboratories here in Bagenalstown in Carlow. We're an environmental and agricultural laboratory operation for over 30 years. We're part of the Department of Agriculture Soils Programme, where we accept the soils from all 26 counties here on a daily basis, from dedicated couriers from every county in the country. Every sample is checked as it enters the lab, where it is scanned using the same GPS coordinates from the Farmeye system as used in the field. Samples are dried at 38 degrees before they are grinded and passed through a 2mm sieve. Following a further quality check, our samples are scanned out using the barcode from the Farmeye system. Samples are prepared for dispatch to our sister laboratory, NRM in Swaffham.
NRM's involvement is that we are providing the analytical laboratory support for the project, and we're carrying out a wide range of analysis. Samples are already pre-prepared and dried in the Republic of Ireland. They're shipped across to our laboratory here in Swaffham in Norfolk. And then we're doing a wide range of analysis. So that starts with pH and the buffer pH, which provides a lime requirement for the soil. We're doing Morgan's potassium, magnesium and phosphorus, which is the nutrient content, what's available to the crop in the soil. That's the key test that the farmer is looking for their fertiliser requirements. We're then doing more detailed analysis, doing a full trace element suite using an extract called Melic-3, which is a universal extractant, so we can provide a wide range of results back to the farmer. We're also looking at the carbon content of the soil, so we're looking at total organic carbon by determining the total carbon content and the total inorganic carbon content, and one minus the other gives us the total organic carbon content of the soils. And we're also doing cation exchange capacity, which gives us an understanding of the cations that are held on the soil particles, and that has a direct impact on the nutrient profile of that soil. Due to the size of the project, we had to scale up our activities on site and capabilities significantly. We've gone from 7 employees to over 50. We've also purchased, installed and validated over 30 additional state-of-the-art instruments to provide the analysis required for the Irish project.
We use a combination of mapping, GPS technology, barcoding to produce a high-quality soil management system. To date in this programme we have managed and validated upwards of 3 million data points. Our system produces a report that shows the colour-coded sample tracks. The colour coding represents the index of the phosphorus, potassium and pH tracks that have been walked by the sampler. This shows the farmer what the exact results are in each particular field and accurately reflects as to what he needs to do to improve his soil fertility on his farm.
When I got my report back, it came in a colour-coded format, which was able to highlight areas of the farm that needed more attention than others and address it accordingly. In the past, we weren't using our fertiliser properly on this farm, but now we can adjust the application to suit fields that actually need it. What we have done is cut back our fertiliser usage in general. That has saved me money, and obviously it's good for the environment as well.